Welcome to the future. To the future university and to the future of education. At Symbiosis Skills University, we're not just another institution. We're a force that's reshaping the landscape of learning because we believe that today's revolution creates tomorrow's education. Our rich legacy in the educational domain formed the base of a groundbreaking approach. An approach that prioritizes experiential learning and develops future-ready professionals. Where education integrates with your passion and chosen profession, then enhances it to the industry-relevant world and creates unique opportunities for you to prosper. Where our international standard experiential labs and centers of excellence fine-tune your professionalism. The class-apart infrastructural facilities in a collaborative environment with industry tie-ups guides you to a greater tomorrow. Be the transformation, be the future. Not just by learning with us, but by exploring the world with us. Our exceptional 6-month semester exchange program opens doors to a world of possibilities around the globe. Uplift your skills like never before, procure different levels of practical knowledge and see yourself transform into a specialist by enrolling yourself at internationally renowned universities in collaboration with us. Let's bring a larger perspective to your life and to your career goals with our 500+ industry partners worldwide, ready to provide you with internships. The transformation to the future begins today. The choice to choose the best is this. Don't just aspire, belong to the future university.